Hi guys, Cy Fisher here with Windermere Real Estate South Whidbey, and we're doing another tech training tutorial today for real estate agents. We're going to be working in Moxi Present, which is our presentation tool. In the last tutorial in Present, we created a seller CMA. Today, I'm going to show you how to go back into that CMA and embed video to really personalize it, customize it even further, and make you stand out even more above your competition. So let's go ahead and get right back into it. Here we are at the present dashboard, and you can see the presentation here we created in the last tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and select the pen icon right here to open it back up so we can edit it. Now we're at the start of the wizard in the subject property area. Here on the top, you got navigation tabs. We're going to go all the way over to pages here on the right. Click on pages. That'll bring us to the area where you can see, your full presentation, each slide that's part of it. So we're going to be creating a new slide today, and that's going to be the slide where we embed videos. So I'll go ahead and press Add Page right there. We got two options: Add from library or Create New. We're going to be creating a new slide today. And again, two options: Upload PDF or Build Page. If you want to upload a personalized PDF you created, you would select that there. But we're actually going to be building the page within Present today. So I'm going to select Build Page. Now we have a choice of several different templates. For the video one, I'm going to want to use this simple template where it's just one box and it'll make the video large and prominent, which is what I want. You could use a template like this for something like a header, a text, and then maybe an image here, or you could use this one for a gallery or various other things. But today we're going to keep it simple and select the single box layout and go ahead and press Create. Now here in the middle, you got your options for adding media. You can add text, an image, a video, or more. Obviously today, the tutorial is about embedding video, so we're going to select a video. Now it's going to bring up a box over here. Excuse me while I hide the video that's covering the area over here. Cool. Now, basically, the only thing you need to do is go get the web address of the video that you want to embed, or the URL as it's known as. And you have a lot of options here. I mean, you could create your own custom video. You could open up Zoom, you could start recording, and you could talk directly to your clients and really personalize it that way. But you could also use a lot of videos that have already been created. As a Windermere agent, I decided what I wanted to do for this tutorial and for some of my presentations is just go over to YouTube, go over to the Windermere Real Estate main channel. They've actually created a ton of videos here. A lot of them are promotional that you can use and embed in your presentations. If we want to, you could embed the market update with Matthew. That could be really cool if someone is really interested in how the market's doing and market stats and that sort of thing. There's a lot of possibilities here. This one here at the top, that's kind of the featured video, the human algorithm. That's the one I'm going to add today. And it's kind of a promotional video about Windermere and, our core values as a brokerage. Let's just watch a couple seconds. This will be the video we embed.
Finders, problem solvers, poets of possibility. We begin each day with a simple question. What can I do to connect my client with their dreams?
So really cool. This is going to be great in a presentation, really going to wow your client with that one. So now that we're on the page where the video is located, you can just go up here to the top and copy the web address from there. Or you could go down here to the little share icon. If you press that, it's going to bring it up and you can just hit copy right there. It'll copy it automatically. If you want to start at a certain point in the video, you can use this little checkbox. Now it says start at 14 seconds. And all it really did was add this to the web address, which is indicating that will start the video at 14 seconds. Today we don't need that, but it's kind of a cool little trick in case you need it. So we'll copy the address, go back to our presentation, and Control V, gonna paste that address right there. Go ahead and press add. And here we are. It's embedded in our new custom slide. So right up here on the upper right, I'm going to press save. We're going to give it a name. So in this case, it's going to be, you know, promo video. That's fine for now. You can put a description, which is, you know, good to do, especially I'll show you how it appears in the slide. Maybe you want to introduce what the video is about a little bit. You'd put that here. For now, don't need to enable page editing, so I'm going to go ahead and press save. Cool. Now our slide is saved, and since we are already in a presentation, it added it to the presentation. It added it below the slide we already had selected. So it's right underneath the cover page, but you can drag and drop, put it wherever you want in your presentation. So I'm going to go cover page first, and then I'll go to my agent profile, and then I'll go right into the promo video. So very cool. That's all it takes. Let's go ahead and check out the presentation, see what it looks like when we send it to our client. All right. So here we have the cover page. Seller person, that's who this presentation was made for. We're going to go to the agent profile, little bio page, and then page 3, the human algorithm. Oh, cool. So your client can open that up, watch the video directly within the presentation, and you know, see all of the amazing reasons you want to hire a Windermere real estate agent to represent you in the sale of your home. So very cool. That's going to be it for today's tutorial. Highly recommend using this. I'm definitely going to be using it in my presentations. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. You can put a comment in the comment section of the video, ask for tutorials that you may want to see, or ask if you need any clarification on how to do this. I'm happy to help you guys. That's it for today. I will see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.